Hi my students, miss you all so much. I revise grammar for primary 6. The first lesson is talking about the past simple tense. Verbs in the past simple tense are divided into regular verbs. Regular verbs means that the verb ends with D. If the verb ends with E, we put D to the verb. For example, he practiced the piano. ED for regular verbs. For example, my father watched TV yesterday. IED, we put IED to the verb if the verb ends with Y and before Y consonant letter, we delete Y and put IED to the verb. For example, he studied English yesterday. Irregular verbs, for example, go, went, ride, rode. In negative, we use didn't plus verb infinitive. For example, we didn't go to the cinema last week. Helping verb, did. For example, what did you do last week? Keywords, yesterday, last, ago, 2019. The second lesson is talking about modal verb. Have to. Form have to or has to plus verb infinitive. Again, have to or has to plus verb infinitive. In negative, we use don't or doesn't plus have to plus verb infinitive. Examples. Number 1. You have to do your homework. Have to plus verb infinitive. Number 2. He has to go to bed early. 3. We don't have to pay bills. 4. She doesn't have to read textbook. 3. The present perfect tense. Form has or have plus past participle. Again, has or have plus past participle. In negative, hasn't or haven't plus past participle. Keywords, just, already, never, since, for, ever. Note, we put just, already, never between has or have plus past participle. For examples, he has just finished his homework. I have already eaten ice cream. Since, yesterday, since last week, last month, last year, last weekend, since 2010, 2004, 2014, since Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Sunday, since May, June, July, for a long time, for 2 days, 7 hours, 8 weeks, 10 months, 3 years. Examples. He has just studied English. We put just between has and past participle. Studied, past participle of the verb study. I have never eaten pizza. we put never between have and past participle. Eaten, past participle of the verb eat. 3. Have you ever owned a laptop? Ever comes in question. WH questions. For example, how long plus has or have plus subject plus past participle plus complete. Examples: how long have you belonged to the judo club? How long have you belonged to the judo club? The answer is I have belonged to the judo club since Monday, yesterday, last week, or for a long time, for 2 days, 7 months. I can answer with since or for. Number 4, relative clauses. Who for persons. Who comes after persons. Examples: the boy who is going to the pet shop is my younger brother. The girl who is going to the pizzeria is my older sister. Number 5, if. Number 1, 0 conditional. If plus present simple, comma, present simple. Example: if you want to help the environment, you can reuse paper. The first verb comes in present simple, the second verb in present simple. First conditional. If plus present simple, comma, will plus verb infinitive. Examples: if we take, present simple, if we take public transportation, we will conserve energy. Will plus verb infinitive. Another example: if he studies hard, he will get high mark. Second conditional. If plus past simple, comma, would plus verb infinitive. For example, if I had money, I'd buy a new car. 6. The present simple passive. The sentence in the present simple passive begins with object plus is or are plus past participle. Examples: Verdi's operas are performed here. Verdi's operas objects. We put are because Verdi's operas plural noun. Performed past participle of the verb perform. Object plus are plus past participle. Another examples: Shakespeare's plays are performed here. Picasso's paintings are displayed here. The past simple passive. The sentence begins with object plus was or were plus past participle. Examples: the Erie Canal was completed in 1825. 1825 refers to the past. Another examples: the Oliveira Bridge was completed in 2008. The last example: Aida was performed in Egypt. Grammar is finished. See you later.